product ourselves. No freebies, no sponsored gifts. This means we can share our honest thoughts without any strings attached. Next, we use the product just like you would. Everyday scenarios, real life conditions, because what's the point of a review if it's not realistic? We also keep our reviews simple and clear. No fancy jargon, just plain words. This way you get the info you need without any confusion. And lastly, we listen to your feedback. Your comments help us improve and stay transparent. So next time you're on the hunt for a product, remember the genuine review method. Honest, clear, and just for you. Imagine this earning commissions while helping businesses thrive with the Genuine Review Method ebook. You'll discover how to collect authentic human reviews cheaply and safely. It's a win-win. This comprehensive guide is perfect for small business owners looking to boost their online reputation. And guess what? You get to pocket the commissions to success, from finding the right businesses to work with to gathering honest feedback. We've got you covered, and the best part, you can do it in your spare time. Whether you're a full-time entrepreneur or just starting out, this guide is designed to fit into your busy schedule. So why wait? Unleash the potential of genuine reviews and start earning today. Grab your copy of the Genuine Review Method ebook and watch your commissions grow. Remember, every great review helps a business shine and puts money in your... Let's talk about making money with genuine reviews. The strategies in this book are 100% safe. I've designed this method to be fully compliant with major review platforms like Google and Trustpilot. That means no more fears of your reviews being removed or your account getting flagged. This book also includes 2 business models that allow you to sell reviews and make passive income. Simply place a few ads and start selling reviews. This method requires minimal effort but can generate a steady stream of income. You'll be able to offer real reviews to others, and once set up, it practically runs itself. So why waste your time? Check the link below to get started. With this comprehensive package ready to turn those reviews into revenue, let's get started.